Smart Document Camera, saving multiple sheets for classroom use. This is for the Smart Document Camera SDC330. The connections should look something similar to the following picture. The most important being the power cord on the left and the USB on the far right. The first thing that you'll do is open up Smart Notebook 11. When Smart Notebook opens up, you'll be presented with a blank notebook. There are slides that you can add on the left and the working space on the right. If you go to the top, the icon for the Smart Document Camera, and click it, the document camera will open up and a live view of what's underneath the camera will appear. You can place your first sheet either horizontally or vertical, however it fits best, because you can always rotate it later. Then, at the bottom, click on the camera icon and it'll take a snapshot of the picture of the sheet that's underneath the camera. This picture can then be resized and placed anywhere in the working space. The important thing to do if you're going to be drawing or writing on top of it is to click the down arrow in the upper right and click on Lock and say Lock in Place. Once the image is locked in place, you or a student can pick up the pens and write on the board on top of the document without it moving around. Here you can circle the reptiles. Or you can underline certain words to point out the main topics of the paper. To add a new sheet, go back up to the top and click on the document camera icon. The document camera will open up and put your new sheet underneath it. Then, on the bottom of that window, you're going to click on the camera with the page underneath it. What that will do is it'll make this sheet a new page in the notebook. Then you can click on the second page, and if you put it in sideways, you can click on it once and rotate it so that it fits on the page, and then adjust. And again, what you'll want to do is click on the down arrow, click on Lock, and choose Lock in Place. That way you can type on top of it. Then if you go up to the first slide again, replace the next sheet with something different. And again, you're going to click on the camera with the page underneath it. And that'll add another page to the notebook. Click on that page, resize, and lock in place. So now, if you wanted to, you could have 3 different subjects all in the same notebook. The top one would be science, the middle one could be reading, and the bottom one could be math. Once you're done getting it exactly like you'd like it, you can simply go up to File and say Save As, and save this notebook for later use. Just give it a name, click where you want to save it, and then click on Save. Now, anytime you need this notebook, all you have to do is open up the place where it was saved, say My Documents, double click it, and the notebook will open up. As well as saving all the slides, it saves all of the writing that you did on top of it as well, and it can be erased or changed to your liking. That's how to use the document camera for multiple pages. Thanks.